whole time I wasn't recording. Don't know what that is. That 2 foot something here. I don't know if that's underground, but you see where I'm at. Comes over to here. We don't really know what this is. There is, all right, here's some of your lighting, baby. See that?
Mm-hmm. I saw it.
I mean, you gonna like that?
I hope so.
I want to see what that $500 light rail is we paid for. I can't imagine. All right, here's your Smurf tube. I requested it 60 inches. That looks about right. I think that's about right. They have it at top and bottom, and it comes through. Now, how do you pick up on it there? They have it ending there. I don't understand that. I don't understand. Anyway, so you got the plug here, plug here. Anyway, you got all kinds of light. You got all kinds of light switches here, and kinds of goodies up here. And so the lighting, maybe there's a one on the water line going through here. And I guess telephone wire or something. I requested a phone line and a Smurf tube, and there it is. Or not a Smurf tube, but a phone line. This is our TV right here. That's where I requested. Just about right there, 60 inches. There's my 60-inch mark. So they did go by the thing I gave them, and I guess this is probably the way they do it. So that's awesome there. We got that right. I got the doors. Looks like they're getting everything pretty good. Plumbers. All right. Huh. There's our duct work. Everything there. Yeah, thank God they put a big old shield there to cover this, or they will lose all the Freon. Would not be good. All right, here's some stuff if I ever want future reference for the kitchen plumbing, because I'll never get this again. Getting really long on this video. But there's your plumbing coming in and electrical. It goes over here, goes on upstairs right there. I still got to get upstairs, but once I sheetrock this up, you won't be able to see where all this goes, so it's on last chance. So here's your main cable. Where's it coming? You think they took hard enough bend right there? Damn. I mean, just give it the business around that corner. Hey, damn. Why they? Come on, guys. Why you pull that shit so tight? I'm talking about right there. Give it the business, boy. Pull it till it breaks. A little harder, Frank. Yeah, there you go. It almost broke. Pull harder. Assholes. That's some. Well, I won't say that. Jerks. I mean, you don't see this wire bent like that. These are electricians. I'm the cable guy. I'm gonna pull this shit all the way I want. What is down here? Yes. Say what, babe?